So hello everyone. Today we are going to do what? Conversation in the class. So this is called as something role play, Pankaj. Okay. So in role play, what you have to do first as homework after we finish this, first listen and pause. Just listen to the conversation. Don't speak in between. Okay. And don't listen to the full conversation, the entire. Okay. Try to listen to the conversation in slots. लाइक जैसे एक सीन खत्म होता है, सपोज एक सीन टीचर और स्टूडेंट के बीच में हो रहा है. नाउ हियर देयर आर डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स यू विल सी. ओके, लाइक जॉर्ज, माइकल, डेरेक. एक सीन जैसे ही खत्म हो रहा है, फिर उसका दूसरा सीन शुरू होता है ना. वो एक सीन खत्म होने के बाद ही आप पॉज करोगे एंड राइट द स्क्रिप्ट, राइट द डायलॉग्स, जो भी वो बोल रहे हैं ना, राइट इट डाउन. राइट इट डाउन. यूज कलर्स टू मार्क इंपॉर्टेंट vocabs, phrases, sorry, phrases एंड एक्सप्रेशंस. ओके, जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रेजेस हैं, एक्सप्रेशंस हैं, उसको पर्पल कलर से मार्क करो. लर्न एंड स्पीक 5 टाइम्स. 5 टाइम्स कोई भी डायलॉग को आप बोलोगे, यू विल रिमेंबर द फ्रेमिंग, यू विल रिमेंबर द स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, ईच डायलॉग, हर डायलॉग को प्रैक्टिस करना है आपको 5 टाइम्स. ओके, तभी मैं बोल रही हूँ छोटे छोटे स्लॉट्स में वीडियो को देखो. आप पूरा वीडियो एक साथ देखने की कोशिश करोगे, देन कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. फिर अगेन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग. सो वॉच द वीडियो इन स्लॉट्स. उसको पार्ट्स में देखो और पार्ट्स में प्रैक्टिस करो कोई भी वीडियो को. लाइक फर्स्ट 1 मिनट के डायलॉग्स देखो, क्या हो रहे हैं दोनों के बीच. अभी मैं बताती हूँ कैसे सीन खत्म होता है. ओके, देन फिर डू दैट रोल प्ले विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, विथ योर फैमिली, रिलेटिव्स. फिर उस रोल प्ले को, जैसे ये जो रोल प्ले हो रहा है, कुछ डाइनिंग एरिया में कुछ कॉन्वर्जेशन हो रहा है, फादर मदर के बीच में कुछ कॉन्वर्जेशन हो रहा है, फिर ब्रदर सिस्टर के बीच में कॉन्वर्जेशन हो रहा है. सो ट्राई टू डू रोल प्लेज. You can make it interesting. Let's see how.
But usually not over here. So, you're from Italy? Yes, I am. And you're traveling to Tokyo? Yes. Well, welcome to Top Notch Travel. Well, it happens in some countries, but...
Well, it happens in some countries, but not usually over here. You know, ये काफ़ी countries में होता है, but not here. Let's see. So these are two characters जो आपस में बात कर रहे हैं. काफ़ी countries में होता है, लेकिन यहाँ नहीं होता. If you have any problem, English to Hindi translation use करो. Okay? Then you can see, then you can understand what exactly they are saying. That also you can do. But try to understand in English. That is better. Okay?
Usually not over here.
So not over here, again an expression. यहाँ नहीं होता. It doesn't happen here. At least not over here. Not in this country. Not over there. Not over here. So again, it's an expression. The expression को underline करो and write it down.
So, you're from Italy?
So see, we did this conversation, no? Where are you from? So, you are from Italy. You are क्या है? Contraction. You are. So how is it? How is that? Just speak with me. You are from Italy. Okay. So he's saying to him.
Yes, I am.
Yes,
And
I
you're
am.
traveling to Tokyo? Yes.
And you're traveling to Tokyo. Yes.
Well, welcome to Top Notch.
Well, welcome to Top Notch Travel Agency. So new word, top notch. What's the meaning of top notch? सबसे ऊपर. हमारी जो कंपनी है वो it falls in top 5, top notch. तो ये मतलब होता है top notch का. Well, again इस तरीके से हम expression या कोई भी conversation begin कर सकते हैं. Well, my name is Niharika. Well, welcome to Top Notch Travel Agency. So he has what? A travel agency.
Travel agency. Let me introduce you to myself.
Let me introduce you to my staff. Okay, so when suppose someone comes at your restaurant or someone comes at your cafe, you generally say, well, let me introduce you to my staff. मैं आपको introduction कराती हूँ अपने staff से. Okay,
Then we'll talk about Tokyo.
then we will talk about Tokyo because he's traveling in there. So then later we will talk about a deal, और later हम फिर बात करेंगे. पहले मैं अपने staff से आपको introduce करा दूँ. Okay,
Marie, I'd like you to meet...
Mary, I would like you to meet. I would like you. मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप मेरे फ्रेंड से मिलो. I would like you to meet with my parents. I would marry. I would like you to meet Mr. Derek. You got it? How do we start the conversation with, okay? Mary, I would like you to meet. Who?
George Milner.
Sorry, God. Giorgio Morit.
Oh, you know him.
Oh, you know him. What
Very
an
nice to meet you.
unique name.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name?
My name?
Um,
Expression. Mary.
yes.
Mary,
I'm
yes.
Marie Lepage.
I'm Mary Lepage.
Marie is our receptionist.
So who is Mary? Mary is our receptionist. Okay, and the name is quite unusual. She's from Paris. She's, again, contraction. She's. So we don't say she is from Paris. She's from Paris.
She's from Paris. Mr. Moretti is a new client.
Mr. Moretti. Mr. Moretti is a new client or is our new client. Okay, maybe he has come for some business.
He's from Italy.
And he's from Italy. His. She's from Italy. So write down each dialogue, okay, and mark the important phrases and vocab. Like what was a new vocab we learned over here? Top notch. That was a new word. So you have to write it down, okay?
Giorgio, we're ready. Giorgio, we're ready.
Giorgio
we're ready.
Moretti.
Yes, I know.
Yes, I
He's a
know.
new client.
He's a new
He's from
client.
Italy.
He's from Italy.
Introduce me. Introduce.
So introduce me. So it's like a funny conversation. Maybe I don't know what's the story behind. Let's see.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
This is
This is
Cheryl. Yes.
Cheryl.
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 She's our
She's our
office manager.
office manager. So she's like kind of lost. कि जिससे भी ये मिल रही है. So they are like a little bit cracking a bit of joke over there.
Mr. Giorgio.
I mean Mr. Moretti.
Please call me Georgia.
Please call me George.
Oh,
See,
George.
we studied in the first conversation. Please call me Alexa. My name is Alexandra Costa. Please call me Alexa. Please call me Georgia. Please call me by my nickname.
Oh, it's so neat
It's
tonight.
so nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Come meet Giorgio.
Come meet Georgia.
Hey, Giorgio already. Hey, man. How
Hey,
are
man,
you?
how are you?
I'm Bob.
So see, this is also a way of introducing. Hey man, how are you? Long time no see. What times आपको देखा नहीं? So when we meet each other, we can use these expressions like, hey man, okay? I'm Bob, but everyone calls me Roberto. But everyone calls me, so here he is taking his nickname. But everyone calls me Roberto.
But everyone calls me Roberto. Bob is a travel agent.
Bob is a travel agent.
Who calls you Roberto?
Who calls you Roberto?
Paul is a tour guide.
Paul is a tour guide. So he's the tour guide. He's the most interesting one in the conversation. So long. Take it easy.
Nice to meet you, but it wants to be done.
So over here, see, you can dance, you can make the conversation more interesting when you're practicing it with your friends. Okay. So this way, what happens, the conversation becomes interesting and funny, and you enjoy the conversation. You're eager to learn more. Okay. Goodbye. It's nice to know you, but I'm traveling on. I'm traveling on. So you can do such actions while speaking.
Mr. Moretti, what is your occupation?
What's your occupation? So what's your occupation? You can also do something like this. When you come across a new word, try to do some action. What's your new occupation? So when you do a certain kind of action, know what happens? Our brain remembers that. Yes, so that's how you start speaking flawless English. Okay, it's a trick.
He's a singer.
He's a singer.
Everyone knows that.
Okay, so I hope you did understand.